and others that work there.
Munenteremo yokoenekia buna obosaria bwabeire bogokeana nene asobotumeki bw'ekigari nigo eserikali yabeire gekobwatoka chinamba plate chinya ekyo kirabe kigo chaka obokoreri asegeka kyemetinye 15 erebosio okwana chinga kichoko bwatoka chinamba plate echibene muwaziri bw'oburendi waime Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'I nigateba buna nigo bagocha kwenekia kigari chonsi kyabeire kigo twara chinamba plate chingikeranu asoboiga bagakobakera ngambia mono abobisa kurwa sege kosi kyoburendi kobwaterana nabobisa bapara kwene kyabuna obokoreri obuya bwabere bokorwe gwago kyase abananchi.
The one that we have been working on with quite some challenges since 2021 was this one, securitizing motor vehicle registration in the country. Because you remember, my friends, that we were hit in Ndizi too, especially because terrorists gained vehicles, registered vehicles, or acquired number plates, and it was very difficult to trace those people within the time they were around. And so we started a very difficult exercise of ensuring that we achieve absolute securitization of motor vehicle registration in the country to deal with theft, to deal with the fraud in the banking sector that my brother James Masharia mentioned, and to ensure that we synchronize the data sets in motor vehicle registration at the Kenya Revenue Authority, and therefore we are able to know, criminals have been driving cars around town with number plates that were issued for tractors earlier. And when they are arrested, when we discover actually this is a number plate that was issued to a tractor, but that number plate is on a Range Rover in Nairobi and so on. So we've worked on this patiently. And I sincerely, I want to thank my colleagues in the security sector, the heads of the agencies, General Kameru, the Director General of the National Intelligence Service, Brigadier Warioba from the Prison Service, the Inspector General of the National Police Service, and the whole team from the police that have been working on this, my colleagues from NTSA who have spent most of their time on this. And we have now today stepped into a new level of motor vehicle registration